Alright, so the green beans have been cooking, and ooh, that looks so good. Alright, so again, they've been cooking for 3 hours on high in the chicken broth juice, and they're looking really good. So what I do is about a cup. I mean, it's not exact because it's hard to get them all in there, but approximately a cup of green beans, and then just gonna fill up each container. And I did have a few extra servings of chicken left besides these ones here that I have. But I can always give those to my son or someone else. Like I said, it's kind of hard when I just order the 2 packs of chicken. Sometimes it's a little more, sometimes it's a little less. Oh, that's hot. Hot, hot, hot. These will have all that nice yummy flavor from the chicken broth. And then I did kind of plate one up so you can see it. Again, this was 1/4 cup of rice and the pretty chicken breast that I saved. And so voila, that would be your meal. So again, this did make 7 servings and a little bit of extra chicken. And that's it. And then you just put them in the refrigerator. I usually heat them up in the bowl itself for about 2 minutes in the microwave, and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, suggestions in the comment section, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.